If you want to forward a GoDaddy domain to another website, this tutorial is going to walk you through the fastest and easiest way to do it. Whether you're redirecting a domain to a new business site, a portfolio, a landing page, or just replacing an old website with a new one, domain forwarding is a simple solution that saves time and keeps your visitors headed in the right place. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials like this. All right, let's jump right in. The first thing you need to do is sign in to your GoDaddy account. So open your browser, go to GoDaddy, and log in with the account that owns the domain you want to forward. Once you're signed in, you'll land in your account dashboard. From here, you want to go to My Products. This is where GoDaddy keeps all of your domains, hosting, and other services in one place. Next, look under the Domain section and find the domain you want to forward. If you own multiple domains, take a moment to make sure you select the correct one, because the forwarding settings will apply to whichever domain you choose. Once you found it, click DNS. This takes you to the domain's DNS management area, where you can control settings like records, name servers, and forwarding. Inside the DNS settings, you'll see several tabs and options. What you want is the Forwarding tab. Click that tab to open the forwarding tools. This is the section where you can send visitors from your GoDaddy domain directly to another website address. If you've never done this before, don't worry, it's very straightforward. Now click Add Forwarding. A setup form should appear, and this is where you'll enter the destination website URL. This is the full web address where you want your domain to send users. For example, it could be your main website, a new brand page, a store, or any other page you want people to reach when they type in your GoDaddy domain. After that, you'll need to choose the forwarding type. GoDaddy usually gives you two options: permanent, which is a 301 redirect, or temporary, which is a 302 redirect. In most cases, if this is a long-term redirect and you want search engines and visitors to treat the move as permanent, the 301 option is the best choice. If you only need the forwarding for a short period of time, then you can use the temporary 302 option instead. Once you've selected the forwarding type and confirmed the destination URL is correct, click Save. GoDaddy will now apply the forwarding settings to your domain. In many cases, the change happens quickly, but you may need to wait a few minutes for the DNS update to fully take effect. Sometimes it can take a little longer depending on propagation, so if it doesn't work instantly, give it a little time and test again. To check that everything is working, open a new browser tab and type in your domain name exactly how your visitors would enter it. If the forwarding is set up correctly, your domain should take you to the new website automatically. If it doesn't redirect right away, double-check the URL, the forwarding type, and whether the DNS changes have had enough time to update. And that's it. Your GoDaddy domain is now forwarded to another website. This is a great way to keep your old domain useful, direct traffic to a new location, and make sure your audience always finds the right page. If you found this helpful, please hit like and subscribe so you don't miss more easy tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.